we have worked with Guardian Roofing on several projects. Last year, they replaced our entire roof, which required extensive plywood replacement and a complete new roof. They installed all new gutters. And then just recently, a few days ago, it was time for the roof to be cleaned because we have a lot of trees on our property. So we have a lot of branches and pine cones and needles. And the gutters were full and the roof was covered. And so we asked Guardian Roofing to come out to please clean our roof as part of their annual roof service. And their technician came out on the day that they specified, on time, and knocked the job right out. And we got a follow-up report that said, here's what it looked like. We got photos of the before, and we got photos of the after. I would absolutely recommend Guardian Roofing to family and friends, colleagues, and coworkers because the quality of the work that they do is outstanding. The crews are very hardworking and very respectful of your property, and they're respectful of your time. Their project managers follow up with you on a very timely basis. So they're really, they execute the project well from beginning to end. And they give you that follow-up report to say, here's what we did, and here's the before and after. And that really gives you a good understanding of the work that was done. So again, I would really highly recommend Guardian Roofing.